Before I start, I need to remind you to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's move on. Inventory is the backbone of any business, whether it is a clothing store, a smartphone company, or even a small bakery. But did you know that there are 4 main types of inventory? In this video, we will break down what inventory really is and explore its 4 main types, so you will never be confused about it again. There are other subtypes of inventories, but this video is about the 4 main types of inventories. First of all, what is inventory? Inventory refers to all the goods and materials a business holds for the purpose of selling, producing, or supporting its operations. Think of inventory as a bridge between production and customer demand. Businesses don't create products one by one every time someone orders. Instead, they keep an inventory, whether it is raw ingredients, half-finished products, or ready-to-sell items. That way, they can meet demand quickly and efficiently. Without inventory, businesses would struggle to serve customers on time, production lines would halt, and profits would shrink. That's why understanding inventory is so important. Now we come to the 4 main types of inventory. The first type is raw materials inventory. These are basic materials a business uses to produce goods. For example, a bakery's raw materials are flour, sugar, and eggs. A car manufacturer's raw materials are steel, rubber, and glass. Raw materials are starting point of production, and without them, nothing gets made. Then we have work in progress inventory. It is also known as WIP inventory. This includes goods that are partially completed. In a factory producing laptops, once the circuit board is installed but before the screen and keyboards are added, that's a WIP inventory. It's still work in progress, but it will be finished soon. It is everything that is in the middle stage of production, not raw anymore, but not finished either. Then of course we have finished goods inventory. These are products that are fully manufactured, packaged, and ready for sale to customers. Think of smartphones displayed in a shop or bread packed and ready to be sold at a bakery. This type of inventory is directly tied to customer demand and sales. Lastly, we have MRO inventory, also known as maintenance, repair, and operations inventory. These aren't products a company sells, but they are essential for keeping the business running. For example, spare machine parts, cleaning supplies, tools, and even safety gears, the goggles or the hard hats the employees are wearing to produce something are MRO inventory. They help maintain production, ensure safety, and support day-to-day operations. Now that you know the 4 main types of inventory, here is why managing them properly is critical. If you have too much inventory, that would mean higher storage costs and risk of waste. But on the other hand, if you have too little inventory, that would mean production would be delayed and customers are not going to get the products on time. That would result in unhappy customers. Smart inventory management helps businesses strike the proper balance while reducing costs and meeting customer demand quickly. So to recap, inventory is the stock of goods a business holds, and it comes in 4 main types: raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, and MRO supplies. One more thing, inventory is actually tangible. Understanding these categories help businesses stay efficient, profitable, and ready to serve customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more business and supply chain insights, and share this video with a friend who wants to learn about inventory. Thanks for watching, and I will see you later in the next video.